You know me, you know my journey, you know my work. I'm all about the DIY, especially when it comes to a garden bed. However, have you seen the cost of lumber? All building materials might have gone down a little bit since the pandemic, but we are definitely not at pre-pandemic costs and price points. So this year, for our backyard, we ordered from Amazon. Don't judge me, judge your mama. Peace, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Devon, and there's so much that has changed in my life since the last time I was regularly posting here on YouTube. And I plan to make some videos to catch you up on those things. But today, I'm excited about building 2 garden beds. I completed one already. What you'll need is this Murphy key. I think it's called a Murphy key. On one side, it's a typical Murphy. On the other side, it's a Phillips head screwdriver. However, I found it hard to use this on the screw end. So, Makita, sponsor your girl. Do we hate the waste or don't we hate the waste? They come with 4 bags of tools and screws. 1 bag already completed in creating this. I've successfully put the 4 sides of the bed together. Now I'm adding 2 pieces of wood to reinforce the bottom of the bed. This step is very essential because the bed needs to be sturdy to carry the weight of the soil, water, and growing plants. I give the screws a twist, then grab the drill to secure them in place. I don't know about y'all, but I feel like a badass carpenter when woodworking or building a garden bed, literally taking my life and health into my own hands. Time to level and secure the legs. Always inspect that your surface area is as flat as possible. Once the screws are in and tightened, it was time to see if this baby could stand. The shelf had a snug fit, and lastly, the trellis for my future beanie babies. Y'all remember those? I had a few as a kid. I didn't have the coins to collect them all, but they were so cute. And just like that, the trellis is added and the bed is complete. Wood quality, I gave it a 7 out of 10. The instructions were pretty easy, 9 out of 10. The ability to teach my community how to grow their own food this season, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Thanks for watching.